What is wrong with you? Do you have a death wish or something? I thought we were past this.
It's complicated.
Right. You know what? I'm done with this. I am done trying to protect you from him. I'm done. You can do whatever you like with your life. It's yours. I leave for Abuja first thing on Sunday morning.
Davina, what are you doing?
Tom.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
You guys are going out?
Stepping out for lunch date for a change.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Have fun.
Hey, Tom. I hear you want to leave.
Yeah. First flight tomorrow morning.
Do you think that's really a good idea?
What do you mean?
Tom, your mom needs you here. And Ben is not exactly her favorite. You obviously love her very much. I'm not saying you should stay permanently here because you have work in Abuja and everything, but just think about it. A little more time here wouldn't hurt. Please. Please.
I'll think about it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. I have to hurry. Your brother is not such a patient person. Take care.
Please take all of this away. I'm tired. Please, God.
Amina, please cancel my flight. I'll be spending more time in Lagos.
They're really going to say anything.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You've not been picking my calls.
I told you, talking to you is too risky.
We cannot afford to have you go invincible. We need to know that our plan is still in place.
Of course it is. Definitely. I'm just trying to... Why do you think I'm trying so hard to fit in? I need them to trust me.
What have you gathered so far?
Okay, nothing substantial yet.
Yes, definitely there's a story here, but once I have anything at all, you'll be the first to know.
Sissy, do I need to remind you the importance of this? Do I?
I am aware. Now stop creeping around the house. You are putting me at risk now.
Okay. Just keep in touch.
Ah! Tom, you're staying?
I'm stepping out, though.
Okay, do you want to eat anything before you leave?
No. I'm fine.
Okay.
Where's Benjamin?
Out with your father, political stuff.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you're marrying my brother. This family deserves a good woman.
Thank you.
Put up with. Stop. I don't understand what I have to put up with as a woman. They come home and you never see them. What?
Good.
Oh, was that Benjamin?
No, they stepped out.
Oh, where'd they go?
They'll be right back.
Oh, okay. I don't know why they come home. They shouldn't bother. They're never home. They're always...
They're coming.
Oh. I'm not drunk.
Yeah, I know. You're doing just fine.
Oh, I might as well just go upstairs. And I don't know why they ever come home. Home. I don't know where they are. Where's Tom and Ben? I've been looking. They come home and you still can't find these children. What exactly did they tell you they were going to do?
They're coming. Let's just sit up.
Oh, really?
Yes.
They never tell me anything. They always exclude me in everything that they do, these kids.
You're good?
My drink first. My drink. You know, I insist all the time. People can be so nasty telling me I can't drink. What does it do? Nothing. You know, my son is very happy with you. I can tell. You're a pretty girl.
Thank you. Thank you.
Question.
Yes. What did your husband tell you that changed your mind about leaving? You know, what did he say?
Oh, my husband, that bastard. Oh, leave him out of it. He's a man. We should have girl-to-girl chats.
Exactly.
Let me have a drink. You should get a drink. You know, it really does help when you drink. It relaxes you. That's why I drink, you know. Everybody's so stiff.
Oh, what did he say? You know, what did he say?
Oh. I can't say.
Hi.
Shh. I have to protect my son.
Which of them? Tom?
Oh, Tommy. That's my baby. You know, he did so well in school. He gets the best grades ever. He gives me so much joy. I love Tommy. Don't you love Tommy? Tommy's warm. He's a warm boy.
Benjamin?
Oh, Benjamin. I don't know why. Benjamin is always angry at me. I don't know why. Will you talk to him?
I will.
Maybe
I will.
that would change his heart.
I will.
You know how we women are. We tend to talk to these men and they get us, right? You get me, right?
Yes. What does his father have on him? Benjamin.
I need a drink.
Yes.
I need a drink.
Yes.
That's better. I could use some ice in this drink. It's a bit warm.
I'll get.
Well,
sinful.
you should get a drink. You should have a glass. I tell Rashida all the time, bring glasses. You never know when somebody will want to have a drink.
Exactly.
Wouldn't you like a drink?
I will, definitely. Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Yes.
Benjamin.
What does his father have on him?
Oh. I can't. His father he'll send him away. You know, he'll send him away because he's not his father, you know. He's not his father. But I see no can I talk the drink?
You can drink. Who's the father? Who's his father?
Of who?
Benjamin. Who's the father?
Oh, Benjamin. Benjamin's
Yes, you can.
Father.
Yes. The father.
The father.
Yes.
Oh. The man.
Ma, what's going on here?
That's it. Rashida, get her a glass. We're having a girl chat, and she's having a glass.
She's drunk
I
again.
don't know.
Take care of her, all right?
Rashida, how many times have I told you bring extra glasses? You never know when someone wants to have a drink. What am I gonna do? Turn myself into a drink? Huh?
Would you want anything while you wait for them to come?
Nah. Nah. Let's just wait. They'll soon be here.
Okay. Who's the guy that she's coming with?
No, Joyce. I never know. I mean, she changes men like all the time, so I can't keep track. Let's see, Sha.
They're here.
Really?
Hey guys, we're so sorry we're late. I'm good.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, Joyce.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good to see you.
How you doing?
You must be CC. I've heard a lot of things about you.
Yeah, so this is my Cece and this is her fiance, Ben.
Nice to meet you.
Same here, bro.
And you all met Ebuka, the love of my life.
It's nice to meet you, bro.
Same here.
Nice to meet you.
Are you okay?
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Same here.
Okay. I think Cece's hungry. Maybe that's why she's acting up. So I'm famished. Can we order already?
Oh, yeah, sure. Charles! Come.
Okay.
How did you two meet?
Good question.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, but every time I think about it, it was so sweet.
I know, right?
So Bubu came to get an apartment in my estate, and it happens that the flat he wanted to get was the one right next to my flat.
Whoa, okay.
So
I wanted to know the neighbor. You know, I like my things to be thorough. So I went and knocked, and this gorgeous woman stepped out.
yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love you, darling.
Love you too, baby.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, I'm so in love.
Same here.
Did you still get the apartment?
Apartment? No. God is gorgeous woman.
Yeah, this guy's got lines for days.
Oh God. Oh, boy.
Be forever, baby. Intriguing. Very sweet.
So sweet.
Yeah.
What do you know about this guy? What? What do you know about him? Like,
What do you mean?
Spirit no just jail. Like,
I beg. When you don't pass stories. Anyway, I totally understand. But Ibuka is a good man. And I totally love him. I'm in love with him. He loves me. I trust him. He's the man for me.
wait, back up. You met this guy like a week ago?
No. 8 days ago. And he's the man for me. Hi.
I hope no problem.
No, we're good.
Okay. So, Ubu,
Yes, darling.
we need to leave. Bro,
Yo, man.
I need to catch up with some other things.
It's been good hanging out with you.
Same here, bro.
Nice to see you again.
Okay, friends. See you around
All right,
soon.
nice to see you. All right.
Okay, Cece. I love you.
Nice to meet you, Sissy.
Yeah, Sissy. Babe.
you were saying?
I was saying that Ebuka is a cool guy.
Probably.
What? It seems like you don't like the guy.
Come on. Don't you think you're going too fast? I mean, he looks like a player.
Well, he looks like the butt-kissing type, but he's a cool guy generally.
I hope she knows what she's doing.
Come on, Joyce is a big girl. She can handle herself.
You think?
Yeah. Dessert?
Ice cream.
Charles, ice cream.
Thank you. I don't understand it. I don't know why.
Sorry. Easy. Sorry.
I don't know why I'm throwing up. Thank you. That's better. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, honey. You're such a good woman. My son is lucky to have you. You'll make him happy. He deserves to be happy. Thank you. Oh, hey, honey. I don't know what it is. I think I caught a bug or something.
We have had enough of this.
What?
Rashida!
What are you doing?
Mom, I'm done enabling you. We can't keep doing this. You have
No,
to stop
no,
this. Rashida!
Yes, sir. Don't do that. What are you doing?
Hey, get every bottle in this room out of here and lock every cabinet in this house.
Okay, sir.
Don't you dare, Rashida.
Okay, ma.
Now.
All right.
And I don't want to see any bottle lying anywhere around this house. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Well,
Move it.
you don't need to do this. What are you doing? You don't need to do this.
Mom. See, this is for your own good. All right? Rashida!
You don't need to do all of this. Why
Rashida,
are you doing this?
Why are you so slow with this?
I will not carry down my child.
I'll donate my eggs to you and I will carry your baby. I'm pregnant.
Tahida, coming this Easter. Exclusive to Love Story Media.
So these are the new posters we've been working on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Now, this girl you want to marry.
Sisi.
Yes. What did you say her parents do again?
Oh, they are teachers and they also run a farm.
Interesting. Son, you might have to call off the engagement.
Why?
The party feels that we need a strong relationship with the Southwest region. And Chief Damilare controls that region.
What has that got to do with my engagement?
His daughter is ready for marriage.
Dad, no, I can't,
You still want me to be Senate President, don't you? You still want to go to the Senate chambers, don't you?
Ben!
Rita.
Hi! Hi!
How you doing?
You look cuter in person.
And you look pretty as well.
Well, my makeup is a mess, so yeah.
You look fine to me.
No, I don't pay my makeup artist a lot of money for her to do this rubbish. You know what? I'm going to sack her. Rubbish.
So, what would you like to drink?
Why this place, though? I mean, I was hoping that we'll go to a more nicer place. This place is a bit low class, if you ask me. It just doesn't suit us.
I wanted us to have some privacy.
Oh, that's fine. I'll just pick the place next time, okay?
All right, cool. So what would you like to...
Oh, I'm sorry. I need to pick this. Yeah. Hey, girl. How is Bahamas? I know it is beautiful this time of the year. I really hope I could, join you girls. No? He did that? What did you say? You don't say. What? Oh my God.
She'll be with you shortly, ma.
I'm here to see Ben, and he's not his she. Ben!
Please calm down, ma. Have your seat. I'll get you, Mr. Ben.
Excuse you.
I'll
Ben!
get you, Mr. Ben.
Then go! What are you waiting for?
Hi.
Hi. Please, can somebody get me Ben? Can you get me Ben? Darling. Darling.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Can we talk outside, please?
Really?
Yeah.
Who is she, your cousin?
She's a friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Rita, Chief Damilare's daughter, and I'm his girlfriend.
Friend, just friend.
Baby, don't be shy. Tell people about me.
Let's talk outside, please. Let's just talk outside, please.
And why is she wearing that? Your friend.
Can we talk outside?
Why that?
I've been meaning to tell you. She's the daughter of a politician. Dad introduced us last week. She he wants me to, like, get involved with her.
Like marry her?
No, like be her friend.
So you want to leave me for her because of your father's political stance?
Cece, come on.
Ben!
Cece, look, I need you to know that I love you. I swear I do.
You love your father more. I totally understand.
No! We hung out once and that's it. I mean, you saw her. I can't do that. Babe, you're the girl for me and I love you, I swear.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. Look, I'm sorry I didn't tell you that. Okay?
Ben, you called me a friend. Who does that? Me, a friend.
Look, I'm sorry. I don't even know what I was thinking. Look, I'm going to talk to Dad. I'm going to sort all of this out. Okay? Please, I'm sorry. Come on now, please. Look, I'm sorry. Okay? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Dad.
Yes, Benjamin. What is it?
I wanted to talk to you.
About what?
It's about Cece.
Have you ended things with her?
No.
Does she want money? Pay her anything she asks for.
Dad, it's hard. I love her.
Ben, do you think I got to where I am today by falling in love with the woman I married? If I had married the woman I loved, I probably would have ended up being a broke photographer with no significance. I married smart and married well. Now I understand if you're not able to shoulder the heavy responsibility I've given you. Maybe I was wrong about you after all.
No, I will take care of it.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Good boy.
Hello, everybody. Oh no, you guys made lunch already. That's not necessary. I already told Ben I was going to treat you guys to lunch. And I had my dad chef make us some delicious meal. Let me get Ben. Guys, go.
Hey, wait. Come back. And where do you think you're going to, young lady?
Young lady, you will not address me like that. I'm not your mate. I'm not in your class. I'm going to Ben's room.
Come back. We haven't been properly introduced. Right. I am Sissy, Ben's fiancé. And if you want to see Ben, someone will have to call him for you. How about that?
It's funny. Fiancé. The last time I was here, Ben introduced you as friend, right? Oh, baby.
What's going on here?
I came here to, I came here to treat you guys to lunch. And this thing here wanted to fight me, saying that she's your fiancé. Like, who the hell does she think she is? Oh my goodness, I have never been... Ben?
The thing is,
No, she's possessed. Guys, chop. Set the table. Are you okay, my love? Don't worry, we eat now. Don't put that there. Don't you know how to set the table? Put that there. Carry it.
what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Baby, you can't just leave like that now. Come on.
Tell me something. Who are you going to marry? Me or her?
My hands are tied. My dad...
Don't tell me anything about your freaking dad! You are a 30-something-year-old man and your father cannot make you do what you don't want to do.
Baby, it's complicated.
Huh? Really? It's complicated. Ben, you don't have the nerves. You didn't have the spine to tell me yourself. You had to get your father to do the dirty work for you.
What?
Pathetic.
I didn't tell my dad to do anything. Babe, see, look. I want you here. I don't want you to go.
As what? Your chef? Or a planner to your wedding to that stupid brat?
Sissy, don't be like this now. Come on.
Ah, no. It's not your fault. I blame myself for falling for you. Should have known better. Daddy, my dad. God!
What is going on here? Where are you going to?
Away from this place.
Hey, see. I'm sure whatever it is, you both can walk.
The engagement is off!
What? What are you talking about?
Didn't he tell you?
Tell me what?
Ask him.
Hey, Sissy.
take care of your mom.